My name is Damon Kuhn, and today I'll be giving a speech on how to reset your Apple mobile devices. So the first thing I'd like to talk about is why is it relevant? Well, today and age, everyone uses or has some type of technology pretty much everywhere they go, and a lot of your problems that you experience with your mobile devices can be solved with software fixes. So the most common software fix is going to be a software reset. So with Apple devices, really the two dominating mobile devices are going to be your iPad and then your iPhone. So I'd like to reference apple.com/support. You can find articles there on how to reset the different devices and different ways you can do it. There are two primary ways, really only two ways to reset your devices. One is going to be with like a MacBook or even a PC. You can use the software iTunes with a lightning cable, right? And what you would do is you would really just plug it up into your computer and then into your phone, and then you would just use iTunes to go through like a hard reset. But the one that I'd like to focus on today is going to be just doing it without a computer, and this is going to apply to more of the population for those who do not have computers. So to start, the first thing that you'd like to do, referencing Apple support article, is go into your settings, okay? So you're going to find the settings tab. It looks like little cogs. You'll go into your settings, and the first thing you want to do is click your name at the top, and that's your iCloud. The reason why you want to click there is to see if you have a backup, because a reset actually erases your entire device. So the first thing you want to do is see where your data is, so whenever you erase your device, you won't be at a complete and total loss. So after you check and see where your backup is, make sure everything's backed up primarily, or completely backed up. The next thing you're going to do that's very important is cut off your Find My iPhone or Find My iPad. So the way that you'll do that is it's still going to be in the settings and it's still going to be in your iCloud. You're going to click the iCloud tab and you're going to scroll down to the bottom, okay? So you'll scroll on down to the bottom and there'll be a Find My iPhone or iPad button there. You're going to click that. It's going to take you to where you can cut that off. Now, when you do that, it's going to ask you for your Apple ID password. You'll put that in and you'll sign out. Now, the reason why this is so important to sign out of Find My device is it's actually a security feature for if your device is stolen, you can locate it, or if it's stolen and erased, for example, like what I'm trying to show you how to do today, it basically locks your phone down. Without that password, the device is unusable. So it's really an anti-theft or anti-theft deterrent. With that being said, after you sign out of Find My iPhone, you're pretty much already there. So the next step on Apple support is to go once again in your settings, but this time you're going to go back to the original settings page and you're going to select the button General Settings. From General Settings, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see a Reset button. You're going to click that Reset button. You're going to have a few options, 4 or 5 options there on that page. You're going to pick the Erase All Content settings. There's a few other reset buttons, but you want the Erase All Content settings. It's very important because that's the one that will actually clear the entire device out. Alright, so what you'll do is you'll pick Erase Content settings. It's going to prompt you a few prompts saying, are you sure you want to erase, or are you sure you want to erase? You might have to put in your passcode. You're going to do that. You're going to click Erase. Whenever you click the Erase button and actually erase the device and you know that you've done it successfully, the iPad will actually go black and pop up with an Apple logo and a loading bar, and that's when you know that you've actually performed the reset correctly. After the device is completely erased, it is set up just like when you get it out of the box and you buy it as new. It will be with the hello screen, it'll be blank white, and you'll go from there and you'll be able to actually reset it back up either as a new device or restore your data. And so that's basically all the steps you have to do to reset your device. That being said, it should solve a lot of problems. You know, if your device is slow, if you notice a few things aren't working correctly, or if your device is just doing some weird stuff, that's a good place to start. With that being said, for any other issues that you may have, I would just check Apple support, which is the same article that I used here to get this information. Thank you.